Hey, what? I keep to myself, they say I got an attitude. I can rock with you, you get caught up the way you move. In the street like heavy, watch your mouth or what you do. Why you so busy talking till I walk up in the room? Yeah, shit ain't sweet, don't sugarcoat it. Watch your homie, he got motives. You not lying with a show us. If you is, we do you bogus. Minded ease, that's why I'm smoking. Try to show you ain't going. You not with me cause you folded. Keep that energy away from me, I violate you first degree. Homie told me you are shady, that's the case, we make it shake. I just wanna eat the cake, I got the munchies, I be baked. No, I'm not sharing cause you fake, be careful of the friends you make. I don't wanna be cliche, but only God can judge me. He seen all the love I showed and all the hate it caused me. OG getting old by now, I bet that she lost it. If you tell me something, then you better keep your promise. I share all my wins, but I'm alone with all my losses. Had to cut him off, it's what it is, don't fuck with toxic. My man acting all brand new, he told me I caused it. At the bank, you get 2 options, steady clicking on deposit. Yeah, he tryna tell me he ain't got it. Boy, you better cough it up for what you saying, I don't buy it. Yeah, watch how you talking, hairline fucked up, that shit looking all lopsided. You the type to talk that shit, well my type gon' surprise him. I be pulling cards, your lame friends, or that you got it. How you flexing all these rentals, you don't pay your rent. Yeah, you ain't got the bands, you talking, boy, you really spend. I don't fuck with lanes, don't wait, goofy bitch, do what I say. I had a good day today, I say making all the plays. I want bluebirds in a safe, sorry selling in a rate. Homie gotta beat the case so we can laugh out yesterday. Hey, yeah, that's how it goes. With 10 toes, yeah. Pass out the bowls and we go and get some more. Benches make you do a money dance, I'm late, you wouldn't understand. Hit me about the work, well it depends how much you wanna spend. I'm out the diamonds glistening, for royal like the president. And if you got a problem, I'ma recommend some counseling. Yeah, shit low key I got on me, don't make me turn up, keep your hands away from me. I stun on my own, no babe, it ain't a thing. And if you not about money, then get out the way. Gotta go make a trade, please don't press me, okay? I just know how to get it, shit, who could you blame? I don't care about the fame, only trips to the bank. Miss the shot, you don't take a thing, I got good aim.